So, my point in this whole saving face preface is before you post a question on Facebook, before you go to the peanut gallery, before you jump headfirst into the deep end, into the Parthenon of loudmouths, stop and ask yourself, can I find this information somewhere else that doesn't depend on someone with an opinion? Where can I find hard evidence? All right. Where can I find hard information? All right. That hard information is not me. That hard information is not the forums. And I know, and Jerry's a friend, but you're also going to be sluicing through a lot of people. Now, I'll tell you this. I'll retract a little bit. Forums today are demonstrably better than forums 10, 15 years ago because there wasn't a social media. And forums were where the trolls went to play. The forums today, you don't get a lot of trolls. You don't get the a-holes who are going to give you a hard time or really beat on you or really make you feel like an idiot. All right. So I'll correct myself in that sense. And I will say that the forums today are not the home where the trolls are. That's typically in a Facebook group. That's typically, they were brutal back in the day, dude. Forums were murder. All right. I still won't go back to Yellow Bullet. Yellow Bullet's a automotive drag racing forum. It's vile. And they had zero restrictions on pornography, and they had zero restrictions on pictures and content you could put up. And it was vile. And I had no respect for most people who were there. It was not one good. So in this, I will say a forum is a good place, but not a good place to begin. And why do I say that? And that's not disparaging Green Hulk. That's not disparaging the Watercraft Journal or any of these things. You want authentic, authoritative voices first. And 9 times out of 10, the questions that get you mocked, the questions that get you brutalized on Facebook, on social media, are more often than not very, very basic, low-level, entry-level, 101 level tech content. What oil do I run? Is the gasoline that is at my local pump okay? What do I use to clean paint? What do I use to clean the seats? What do I use? I mean, just in the questions that we got today. Pretty mild stuff. Guys aren't saying, hey, listen, I'm starting to get a harmonic. I'm starting to get a mechanical this, or I'm starting to see starting to see a battery drain, or mechanical troubleshooting. All right, these are very basic questions. I'm happy to answer these, and Billy has proven that he's happy to answer these, and the community that we have here is pretty good about answering these things. That's fine. But all of this is to say, if you have a basic tech question, basic maintenance, go to the manufacturer first. Please go to the manufacturer first. Your owner's manual is there to help you. All right. Your owner's manual will keep your watercraft running optimally for as long as possible. All right. If you have lost your owner's manual, if you have ruined your owner's manual, if you've misplaced your owner's manual, if your dog ate your owner's manual, you can download it. You literally type in, okay, I've got Here we go. Wave Runner. Okay. And, well, that's kind of funny. Model name. It's got all the boats on there too. FX. Let's do FX. FX SVHO. That's one of my favorites. Okay. And we'll do, okay, this one goes to 21. All right. Search. Hot Snot. You can download the PDF right there. Can I download the PDF? I agree to terms of service. We're doing it live. Guys, it's free. The owner's manual is literally right there. So here you go. Owner's manual, free. CD does the same thing. Cowie does the same thing. Guys, please refer to the owner's manual. Do yourself a favor. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's 124 pages long. It's got what to do about winterization. It's got how to launch it, how to put it on a trailer, how to dock it. It's got everything you need to know in there. They want to equip you with knowledge. Yamaha, Sea-Doo, Cowie, they want you to know everything about this ski so that you love it. The owner's manual is not lying to you. They know this machine better than most anyone else does. They really do. And the reality is, I hate to say it, the reality is that most people don't need anything more than the owner's manual. Okay? Because they're typically not doing their own service. They're typically not changing impellers. They're typically not winterizing their own ski. They're typically not doing their oil changes. They're typically not doing their own stuff. Okay? But what happens if you want to do it all? You want to save a few bucks. All right? RevaRacing.com. RevaRacing.com. Go to maintenance. Drop down. Go to service manuals. They will have the actual mechanics service manuals for these skis. All right? These are all Yamaha because I did a search earlier for Yamaha. Okay. Guys, you can get this. You'll have to buy it. It's not cheap. These things are $100. 92, 92, 92, yeah. Okay. Let's see if I look up. Okay, see, I'm looking up select year. 22. Sea-Doo. I don't know. GTX 300. Search. Oh, Riva does not have Sea-Doo. Okay, let's do Kawasaki. Select model STX. Search. Oh, they only have Yamaha. Woo! Well, it's a good thing. I went to eBay Motors. And look what you can get for $15 on eBay Motors is the digital PDF of the service manual. Guys, you can find these service manuals. Now, these service manuals, okay, yeah. Service manual, you get a CD and a link. So it'll give you access to all of this. Let's bring it up. Can I bring up well, you can see it on the screen. All right. It will tell you everything that your service department in your dealership will have access to. Besides the fact that more often than not, their technicians have been trained. All right. But if you think you're Johnny Mechanic and you can turn wrenches and you're Spicoli and you're like, my dad's got a bitchin' set of tools and I can fix this. Okay, then cool. And I don't know if anyone got that reference. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.